Do you want to create professional videos in minutes? Well, you should, because video is the best way to tell a story or market your product or service. In fact, a professional video means more likes, more shares, and more sales. The problem though is that most video creation tools take hours, days, even months to master, and hiring a video editor can be very, very expensive. That's why we made the one-click video creator software. Now let me show you exactly how it works. Firstly, it's a desktop-based software for either PC or Mac, and it will basically allow you to create a professional video faster than any other tool out there. It's also a very simple process. Firstly, we open the tool and tweak a few settings. Secondly, we enter text, video, and images for each of the slides that we want to create. Thirdly, we choose from over 130 proven animations, all of which engage and sell, and basically pick an animation for each of our slides. And finally, we download our brand new professional video, and that's literally all there is to it. So let me give you a quick demonstration. This is the software. As you can see, we're currently on step 1, page 1. We can decide how many slides we want. We can upload an MP3 file, or we can browse from a selection of 8 different files that are included within the software, all of which are royalty free. We can choose some different background colors. We can also choose some different background images as well. We can upload our own, or we can choose some different preloaded ones that are built into the software, so I'll just go with that one there. We can choose some different text colors as well, and we can also save projects, open projects, and generate new projects too. So I'm just going to click next to move on to the next page, and the basic idea is that for each slide that we want to run with, we can enter text, we can enter images, and we can enter video files as well, and that will then determine how many of the 130 animations within the system work with that particular slide. So for example, you can see here I have one line of text and it's found 38 different animations. If I now enter another bit of text, then you can see that it's now gone down to 25. So I'm just going to create a very, very simple video using the first slide is going to have 2 lines of text, and the second slide I've uploaded an image and also entered a bit of text here. So we've got one that's just got 2 lines of text, and one that's got a line of text and also an image. So all we do now is we just click next and just browse through the animations and find one that we like the look of basically. So I'm going to go with, let's see, maybe I'm going to go with this one here. So just quickly browse through these, and you can see we've got t-shirt ones, we've got ones that relate to cutlery and food, we've got ones that relate to making money, ideas, just all kinds of animations that we can kind of include. So I'm just going to click next. Again, for this one I'm going to go with that one, and then we click next, and as you can see, our new video is instantly created. It plays on loop. We can export it simply by clicking render here, which will then very quickly export an MP4 file, and we can also click full HD, which will then switch it to HD, which will take a little bit longer but will basically give us a HD file. So that's pretty much how the tool works. As with all of our tools, it comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee for any reason. So click the Get Started button right now. You'll get instant access to the one-click video creator software, along with 24/7 access to my UK support team, and you'll also get extra video creation bonuses on the download page. That being said, we can't guarantee this low price forever, so please act now to get instant access. It's 100% risk-free, so I'll see you on the other side.